burping challenge. And tomorrow, today's Monday, June 27th. So this video might come out today, June 27th. And then tomorrow or Wednesday, me and Malachi are going to do a burping contest.